Hey, we're going to be working with custom product tabs for WooCommerce and embed any document to show you how to use a Dropbox PDF file as your preview for your WooCommerce product pages. So first you're going to open up the embed any document settings, set the height to 1000 pixels. This just makes sure that everything shows. Click Save Changes. Then you're going to come over here to the custom product tabs and you're going to open up Save Tabs. And this is where you're going to set tabs that will probably be on most products. These can be more like global tabs or just a template to get you started. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to create my first one, and this one's just going to be my preview template. This one will, of course, be different for every product because the preview is going to be different for every product. And I'll give you this code. This is using that Embed any document plugin. So I'm saving my template. Then I'll go back to all saved tabs. Then I'm going to add another tab. And this time, let's say that I have some reward points that I want to tell people about. So this one, I'll just call it reward points, and you would tell them about your reward point system. You're going to click Save Tab. And now I'm going to create a new product. I'm just creating a fake product. And I actually have one in my store that I use for testing, and I've set it to private. And as far as catalog visibility, I have it hidden. So basically nobody can see it. The idea is that I could just use this to practice things. So I'm going to click Add a Save Tab, and I'm going to add both of these tabs that I've already set up as templates. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go ahead and add a third tab. Let's just say I had something that was just specific to this product. So I'm just calling it single tab. So, it's just a sample for this one product. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Override this saved tab because I do want to change it. I'm going to get my Dropbox link from my PDF, and I'm going to use this changes to your link. I'm going to use that as my actual link. But you'll notice if I do it in the visual, it makes it a URL. You don't want that. So go ahead and switch over to the text, and then you're going to paste your link with it in text. After you've pasted the Dropbox link, go ahead and delete that 0 at the end and add a 1. It makes it automatically appear. Then I'm going to go ahead and update the page. Then if I scroll down here, I now have my 3 tabs. I have my single tab, I have my reward points, and I have my preview tab. You do have to add these tabs individually, even though you can set up them as like a template, and they will be global. So like if I go in here and I haven't said override tab and I go ahead and I add some text here, it will make those changes everywhere that saved tab is, unless I've hit override that tab. But it doesn't automatically add the tab to the product. You have to individually go in and add the tab. So you'll see here as I reload this, I haven't done anything to edit the product, but now if you go to reward points, you can see that I've added some text there. So I'm going to go back to the product, and this time I am going to go ahead and override my saved tab, and I'm going to change the text here. So I'll just add something, more text. We'll save our tabs, we'll update the product. And I'm going to go ahead and actually change it in my template. So I just put something different there. So I'll show you what appears. Because I've overridden that particular tab, I've overridden my template, then you'll see that it has what I overrode it there. Unfortunately, this particular method, if you're working on the preview part of it at least, only works for Dropbox. If you are planning to hold your preview files in Google Drive, let me know, and we will have to use a slightly different plugin in order to get the PDF to appear. You can pay for the pro version of Embed any PDF if you want to just make it super easy and just click on your document.